Claude Code versions 2.1.26-30. 3 releases in 5 days, 6 new features, 7 improvements, 12 bug fixes. Here's what changed. PDFs just got smarter. The red tool now accepts a page's parameter, specify exactly which pages to extract. Large PDFs over 10 pages return lightweight references instead of bloating your context. And the new /debug command helps troubleshoot sessions instantly. MCP servers that don't support dynamic client registration, like Slack, now work out of the box. Pass your client ID and client secret when adding an MCP server. Subagents can finally access SDK-provided MCP tools too. GitHub Workflow just got tighter. The new from PR flag resumes sessions linked to a specific pull request. Even better, sessions are automatically linked when you create a PR through GHPR create. Memory usage dropped 68% for Resume. The old session index is gone, replaced with lightweight stat-based loading and progressive enrichment. Startup performance issues with saved hook context are also fixed. Your sessions load faster than ever. VS Code gets multi-line input. Use Shift-Enter in text dialogues. Claude in Chrome is now enabled. Duplicate sessions when starting new conversations. Fixed. OAuth token expiration causing 4 or 1 errors. Also fixed. Plus correct region strings for Bedrock users. Key fixes across the board. Phantom no content blocks in API history. Gone. Prompt cache now invalidates correctly. Permission dialogues no longer steal focus. Windows users with bash RC files can run commands again. Cleaner, more stable. Update now. Run Claude update to get version 2.1.30. 65,000 developers on GitHub. Subscribe for the next release.